Okay, so it's a new week. I rested up last night, kind of fiddled around with the Phoenix Missile this morning, went and got a distributor and a coil, and who wants to hear a race car engine? Let's do this. I don't have the fuel pump hooked up, so it's going to run out of gas. Yeah, it's raunchy. It's a roller cam, Ram Airheads, 750 HP carb. Right now it's on 2.5 into a Y pipe with a cat, so it's just what bolted onto the car, so it doesn't even have mufflers. It's literally running into a Y pipe into a single cat with a 2.5 inch outlet. So once it gets exhaust on it, it'll be doing much better. Sweet smoke. I'm excited. You excited? Pontiac excitement.